Want to find hidden mentions in Instagram stories? Sometimes people tag others without making it obvious. But don't worry, you can still find them easily. In this video, I'll show you a quick way to see hidden mentions on Instagram stories. First, open your Instagram app and head to the story you want to check. While viewing the story, tap once on the photo or video. If someone is openly tagged, it will show up immediately. But for hidden mentions, simply swipe up on the story. After swiping up, you'll see the full list of people tagged, even if their tags are hidden. Another way, tap View Post if available. The mentions often appear under the caption too. And that's it. Now you can easily find all hidden mentions in Instagram stories. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.